In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy ETrade stock. We'll walk through the process from finding a stock to reviewing and placing your order so you feel confident every time you trade. To get started, you'll want to locate the stock you're interested in. Use the search bar at the top of the platform. Type the company's ticker symbol, which is the short code used to identify it on the market. For example, AAPL is Apple and TSLA is Tesla. As you type, you'll usually see suggestions pop up. Click the correct listing to open the stock's quote page. Take a moment here to confirm you've got the right company and share class and glance at the current price, days range, and any recent movement. This quick check can help you avoid buying the wrong security. Once you're on the quote page, open the trade ticket. Look for a button labeled Trade or Buy and click it. This brings up the order entry form, where you'll set the details of your purchase. In the order form, set the action to buy. Enter the quantity, which is the number of shares you want. Then choose your order type. A market order buys immediately at the best available price, which is simple and fast, but the final price may differ slightly from the last quote you saw. A limit order gives you more control by letting you set the maximum price you're willing to pay. If the market can meet that price or better, your order can fill. If not, it will wait. If price certainty is important to you, a limit order is often the safer choice. Next, choose the order duration. A day order will stay active only until the market closes today. If it hasn't filled by then, it expires automatically. Good till canceled, often called GTC, keeps the order active beyond today and will remain in effect until it fills or you cancel it, according to the broker's policy. Pick what best matches your timing and strategy. Before you submit anything, click Preview. This is your chance to double-check the ticker symbol, the number of shares, your order type, and limit price if you set one, the duration, and the estimated total cost. Make sure everything looks right and that the order reflects your intent. When you're satisfied, click Place Order. You'll receive a confirmation that your order has been submitted, and you can monitor its status in your Orders or Activity tab. That's it. Clear, controlled, and ready to trade with confidence.